is going to get it. The bronze medal in 2013.
Le podium qui est donc complet. Le podium qui est donc complet. Les seigneurs, messieurs. Tout le suspense est levé. God Love, Divine et Generous. Ils sont les 3 premiers à franchir la ligne d'arrivée ici au Moliko Stadium de Boya. Très très serré au niveau des chronos. La direction technique de la course, le volant Generous, continue, 249, troisième, pour ce qui est des seniors messieurs, le podium qui est donc complet. Et la commission technique va être pas plus précise en ce qui concerne le chrono. Mais on a bel et bien vu que les écarts sont très très réduits tels qu'on vous l'annonçait. Les écarts très très réduits entre le premier, le second et le troisième. C'est dire que la lutte a été très très ample au niveau du Mont Cameroun, là-haut, au niveau du Char de Dieu. Pour cette très très disputé donc, tel que nous l'annonçait Serge Fosque et Gideon Cazon, qu'on a pu avoir dans les rues de la ville de Boya, quelques temps seulement avant cette arrivée.
Bon, how you feel about this race?
Well, the winner has won again. The winner for last year has taken first again this year. And it's a good keeping for the Bamenda people since they are the one winning.
So you're from Northwest, you should be very happy.
Well, I'm not from Northwest, but I grew there.
Yeah. You're from where, sir?
I'm from Southwest.
But you are still happy?
I'm happy.
Okay, very good. Madam?
I'm happy that the first has come from the Northwest and I'm in Northwest now.
You came with your daughter to see it. Why do you bring her now?
I wanted her to see the race also.
What's your wish when you're bringing her like this?
I wish her because she will grow up with the city.
Okay, that's very nice for your mother. Yes, that's right. Yes, big girl. Why didn't you run?
No.
Why didn't you run?
I don't have the power and energy.
You don't have the power and energy?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Big man, but hold on for my face off. Yeah, don't hold on, not press anything.
Okay.
Yes, hey, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, what starts well obviously ends well. You see, you have just seen it there. Yeah, see, more are arriving. Yeah, because it's not the race for the swift. Some people just only have the pleasure of being up there and down. I have never tried. You know, going up there at 1, at 2, at 3. You need to have a very good luck, you know. So some people just take it for pleasure. It's just like an Olympic spirit. Yes, it's not the crossing of the line that's important. It is the spirit with which you carry yourself all through. Sometimes, as said one great philosopher of China, sometimes the process matters more than the end game. Yes, sometimes it's how you enjoy the process that's more important than the bottom line. The result is not as important as the manner. Yes, the manner becomes here more important than the matter. It's a very deep philosophy in postmodern times. So in this, my boy, yes, we don't need much to be happy. We just want that tradition should be respected. You have somebody there in Yaoundé. For 2-3 times he's promising to come to Boya to celebrate our reunification. Nobody knows when that reunification will take place. So that is not what we like. We of the common law, the British Southern Cameroon's culture. We like when you keep something, you stick to it. We like calendaring. We like order. Yes, so when you have a president in Yaoundé who says he's coming to this our Boya to celebrate the 50th anniversary of our reunification in 2013, and he has not come, and we don't know when he will come, and they keep breaking houses. Yes, so that's my point. We like the event, we like sports, but sport should be just an indication of the health of our nation. Our nation is sick, but again, the Mount Cameroon race just offers us this one small occasion here in southwest region of Cameroon to say, okay, we also have something to offer. Yes, even the best of hands offers you just that one golden egg a day, nothing more. That's right. So that's our own humble contribution to the spirit of national development. And we are inviting everybody from the rest of the world to come and share in this beauty we find in the southwest region of Cameroon. This is Patrick Siane talking from Boya in the southwest region of the Republic of Cameroon. Donc, mesdames, messieurs, c'est pour résumer. On vient de constater, celui qui a gagné l'année dernière a aussi gagné cette année. Et les premiers viennent du nord-ouest. Ça indique que le temps change. Avant, c'était les gens du sud-ouest qui dominaient. Et voilà les gens du nord-ouest qui prennent le relais. Demain, ça pourrait être le centre, le sud, l'est, nord, l'extrême nord. Et n'importe où, l'ouest même. Donc c'est ça le Cameroun. Une Afrique en miniature. N'en déplaise à certains à Yaoundé. Donc ici, la leçon que je retiens d'un truc comme l'ascension du mont Cameroun, c'est cet esprit de méritocratie. Ici, ce n'est pas le tribalisme. Ici, c'est le poumon. L'individu qui monte là, première, deuxième, troisième colline du mont Cameroun, c'est 4000 mètres au-delà. Hein? Celui qui monte jusqu'au sommet et il redescend et il va au point d'arrivée, on le voit. C'est ça le talent. Il faut que le Cameroun devienne comme ça aussi, une méritocratie, pas la dictature autocratique d'aujourd'hui et le tribalisme avec, ou parce que je connais le frère de celui-ci, que je veux le mettre à l'école. Hein? Ce n'est pas ça. Donc c'est ma leçon de cette expérience du sport. Dans le sport aussi, on trouve la miroir de la nature. Donc c'est une réflexion de la vie. Donc il faut organiser un sport, mais il faut avoir une philosophie du sport, c'est-à-dire encourager l'effort et l'efficacité, l'endurance et le mérite aux méritants. C'est Patrick Siane qui parle depuis sa région d'origine, qui est le sud-ouest de la République, la belle République du Cameroun. Paix, travail, patrie. Cameroon, I salute you. Thank you very much, sir. Very good. A beautiful day, very nice weather. The weather was very much part of the success of this event of today. Yes, you can see how they are destroying even little poor streets here. Businesses are knocked down in our Boya for the sake of the fact that Paul Biambimbo Kunkuma may be arriving to celebrate the 50th anniversary of reunification of Cameroon that should have been celebrated much long before. You see, the athletes are still arriving. Tu as vu, même comme il y a déjà eu les 3 premiers, il ne faut pas dire que ceux qui arrivent maintenant ne sont pas aussi méritants. C'est ça le sport, c'est-à-dire qu'on n'est pas tous au même niveau, c'est-à-dire que nos doigts, les 5 doigts ne sont jamais les mêmes. Hey, my man, how you feel about today?
Well, today just day, we don't like the whole you see. I'm watching the fine.
How was the marathon? The race to the top?
Well, it shows they fine because they don't come for the usual time they should come.
Girl, how do you feel?
I feel happy.
How was the race? You liked it? You enjoy it?
Yeah.
Why no?
Because this is my first time of experiencing.
Oh, your first time?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're not born in Boya? Where are you from, I mean?
Bamenda.
Bamenda. And you're happy that a Bamenda man has won?
Yeah.
That's okay. Very good. Hey guys, how do you feel about this race? Yes, sir. It was wonderful. Okay, my name is Patrick Siane. I love it so much.
Okay,
and what about you?
No, I feel fine.
You feel fine?
Yeah.
Yes. So I'm proud to see that our country is doing something good. Even though the man in Yaoundé, the old man, is not doing many things good.
Okay.
That's correct. That's my own point, sir. Very good. Yes. The body laugh.